everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to lock apps through shortcuts on your device. To do this, first of all, open your shortcuts and then click on automation. Then click on plus sign on the top right corner of your screen. Then select app. Now click on the choose app and choose whichever app you want to lock. For now, I am choosing code scanner and then click on run immediately. Now click on next. Now you click on get started and click on add action, then choose lock screen or type lock screen on the search bar and then do done by selecting lock screen. Here you go, you have locked your code scanner. In this way you can lock your apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.